Hello traders, today is 19th of March 2010. This is the final part of preparation for day trading. On this chart here, I have the Euro Yen currency pair chart, 4 hours chart. I want to talk in this part of this video about 4 hours chart, how a day trader can use the 4 hours chart for day trading. The method is very simple, like I always do. You draw on your 4 hours chart the support and the resistance level. Okay, so you go to the 4 hours chart, you draw this resistance line here, you see a support, you draw the line. Normally you draw a horizontal line, you can color them as you like, you just draw them. You draw them, you see one support, you draw the line, another support, you draw it. It doesn't need to be a valid one, like I said, retested and be validated. Just draw them as where they are. And then you switch back to whatever your trading time from, like 50 minutes or 5 minutes or hourly chart. I like maybe hourly chart maybe. And then what you do, you try to observe the price at the resistance level and support level of the 4 hour chart. So like this line here, this is a resistance level because the price touches and went down. Okay, so we mark it on our chart and we watch the price, the reaction of the price when the price approaches that level here. If you use this method here on the 4 hours chart, you will know that you are rewarded because you'll be rewarded here because the price went down. Okay, and then you will do the same here for this support level here. You see the support level here has been broken and now it's retested this level. You have your 5 minute whatever or 50 minute retested, and then people are selling here. So you can use the support and the resistance line of the 4 hours chart in order to decide which direction you want to go, either with MACD, either with your favorite indicator, just using the 4 hours chart. So this is another preparation you can do for day trading by checking your 4 hours chart support and resistance lines by drawing them, especially in the night time. This usually works. In the night time sometimes you will see the price will come to a key support or resistance line of 4 hours chart, and then you will see the reaction there, and then if you follow it you will be rewarded. Same thing sometimes during the day also. The support level right here now, this price as I'm talking is coming to a key support level. This week here is telling us people are buying here, but because this problem regarding the grease, you have to be careful this time to buy the euro, because a lot of people are just selling. I have a few losing trade also, because not because my judgment, my decision were wrong, but because now I just noticed that a lot of people, the professionals, are selling because of this bearish thing. The Prime Minister of Greece saying something about the situation of Greece. So a lot of people are selling now the euro. So we will disregard this support situation here. I won't even bother to. If I have a 2 losing trade in a row, I try maybe to stay out and come back and fight another day, instead to succumb to the pressure of the professional. There are always opportunity in the market, as you see it's breaking this support level right here now. So this is also regarding a day trading preparation, support and resistance line on the 4 hour chart. Some people do that every day. They just go to the 4 hour, they draw their line, and they switch back to 5 minutes, and they observe what's going on, and then they will do that. Another thing I would like to talk about for this preparation for day trading, I find one method that also works very perfectly. You go on a 15-minute chart and you place the moving average 20 and the exponential moving average 50. So you put exponential moving average 20 and exponential moving average 50 on your chart on 15-minute chart. If the exponential moving average 20 is below the exponential moving at 50, you are bearish. You are looking for opportunity to sell. And also, if the exponential moving average 20 is above the exponential moving at 50, you are bullish. So this sometimes keep you in the trend, so you avoid making mistake. So you want to get into a trade, you are not very sure and you want to get in, you have to get in at the right time. If you see a signal on the 5 minute on the hourly chart, you go to 5 minute chart to take your trade to have a better place you can to analyze carefully what the market was doing at that moment to have a good place to place your stop. So to summarize for this series of preparation for day trading, one must check the VIX, the trend, the S&P 500 if you are stock trader. If you are forex trader, one must check the Euro USD direction and follow the currency that repeat the Euro USD. Another thing you need to pay attention to is the sector. If you are trading Nasdaq stock, you check what the Nasdaq is doing. But in general, the major index that you have to always pay attention to is the S&P 500. That's the number one indicator. Also, if you are trading in the morning, you come in at 3 a.m. Do not place any trade before 3 a.m. Eastern time, and you are out of the market by 6 a.m. Eastern time. And you come back again at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and you are out again at 12 a.m. Eastern time. But I want to talk in this last part of the video about Friday. Friday, you come in at 3 a.m. Eastern time and you are out at 6 a.m. Eastern time. Okay? And then again, you come back at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. But this time, because it's Friday, you are out at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. So on Friday, when New York is open, you spend only 1 hour in the market and you are out quickly before they start messing you up big time. So I always say also it's very important for the preparation for day trading to have on your chart the pivot levels. Very important, the pivot levels on your chart in order to see what the other traders are doing and to know to have also a best entry point. So even though if you don't use the pivot level, have them on your chart. Please have them. It will help you to avoid some mistake because sometimes the market will move to one direction and push the price. They just want to test that pivot level before turning around. You may be right, but still lose money if you don't have the pivot level to know what the market is doing. So I also talk about the CFD is the number one method one should use more than the spread betting, but it's up to you what you want to do and you decide about that. So the preparation for the trading series is coming to an end. I hope you watch all the video. I think it's 6 altogether now to help people, even though sometimes people are very good traders. Some people are very smart traders, but they keep losing money. The best traders, sometimes they lose money, but because they miss one little information. Maybe they are coming in the market in the wrong time, okay, or they are not paying attention to maybe to the pivot, or they are using the wrong time frame to enter their trade. They see their signal on the 4-hour chart. You have to switch back to 15 minutes or 5 minutes to have the best entry or whatever. So there are a lot of things. Or some people, they are technical. Professional, they are technical. They will tell you that the market is rising, and you see at the end of the day the market will rise, but they will have the worst entry point. And some professionals, they are technical and they won't pay any attention at all to the fundamentals or to the news. And they will lose also money in the long run because the news always affect the market. Believe me, they are one of the causes also in the market that will move the market in one direction or another very fast. So don't ignore the news at all. Pay attention to all of them. Balance them together. I hope this series of preparation for day trading is useful to you and enjoy yourself. Till next time, be happy. Thank you.